Ever wondered if your micro-investing journey is costing you more than you think? You've seen the ads, heard the buzz about Spaceship Voyager and its easy-to-use platform, but what about the fine print? Are you truly getting a low-cost entry into the market, or are hidden fees eating away at your returns? Today, we're doing a deep dive into the costs of investing with Spaceship Voyager, breaking down every potential fee so you know exactly where your money is going. First, let's talk about the main, most straightforward fee. Spaceship Voyager has a monthly fee of $3. This fee is only charged if you have a total balance of $100 or more across all your portfolios at any point during the month. If your total balance stays below that $100 threshold, you pay absolutely nothing. It's a simple, flat fee, so whether you have $150 or $15,000, you're paying the same $3 a month. This is a crucial point, because for a small investor, a flat fee can feel quite heavy on a percentage basis, especially in the early stages. But that's not the only fee to consider. Spaceship also charges a percentage-based management fee, which is deducted from the fund's assets and reflected in the daily unit price. This fee varies depending on which of their portfolios you choose. The more actively managed portfolios, which require more work from their team, have a higher fee. For example, the Spaceship Origin portfolio has a management fee of 0.15% per year, while the Spaceship Universe portfolio and Spaceship Earth portfolio have a higher management fee of 0.5% per year. The Spaceship Galaxy portfolio sits in the middle at 0.35% and Spaceship Explorer at 0.25%. It's important to understand this because it's a fee you won't see come out of your account as a line item, but it's consistently being deducted from your investment's value. Now, for the good news. Spaceship prides itself on being transparent and low cost, and in many ways, it lives up to that. There are no brokerage fees, which is a huge plus when you're making small, regular investments. There are also no operational, withdrawal, or other transactional fees. This means you can add funds, or take them out, whenever you want without being hit with a penalty. This simplicity is one of the main reasons many people are drawn to the platform. So, how does this all add up? You have the flat $3 monthly fee, plus a management fee that's a small percentage of your investment's value. For someone just starting out with a small balance, the $3 monthly fee might feel disproportionately high. But as your balance grows, that percentage-based management fee becomes the more significant cost. It's a trade-off to consider based on your own investment size and goals. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.